Hey guys, and welcome to Theory Thursday. This is a heavy one, so I'm going to try and just go straight through it, and hopefully you keep up. It's a heavy one, not because it's super complicated. If you're an advanced player already, you know this stuff. But if you're a beginner or a novice, this might be kind of new to you. It is the modes, which I promised I would talk about. There are modes in every scale that is like a home scale. So for example, and that's a made-up term, home scale. I just coined it right now. Major scale, melodic minor scale, harmonic minor scale, pentatonic scale. Any scale that has its own term behind it, that would be a home scale, or a scale that you would base as your center, and then you would build modes off of it. And so how that works is like this. Here I have the C major scale, and we have 8 notes, well 7 different notes, and an 8th note, which is the octave, in this scale. So we have from the black C over here, and I color coded them to make them very easy to see, all the way to the C over here, which I've colored black as well. And so from C to C you have a major scale, which you know as that wonderful song from Sound of Music, not the one that I quoted in the last video, but this one. Do, a deer, a female deer, ray, a drop of golden sun. Anyway, so you know it is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, and you've done that since you were little kids in music appreciation class. Well, that's what this scale is here. And the reason I've color coded it is, if you were to start from one of the other colors, it would give you another color of the scale, or another mood, or in the technical term, another mode. So if you went from D right here, which is red, to the next D, which I don't have on this thing, but I do have over on that thing. That thing right there. You'll get a totally different sound. So if I start from the second note and I go to an octave from the second note, so red to red, we have what's called the Dorian mode. So Dorian is the second mode in C major, and we're going to go over all of them next week. I'll have them all written out, and we'll go over each mode and what they sound like to me and what they might sound like to you. But for this week, your homework, unless you are an advanced player and this is super boring, your homework is to memorize the scale. And if you are an advanced player and this is super boring, how well do you know the scale going up the neck and down the neck and across the neck and in different intervals? Have you tried going 1, 3, 5 and then 2, 4, 6 and do those kind of things? Have you tried going triads throughout the whole scale? There's lots of things that you can still push yourself on even if you're more advanced. And anyone who says I've already mastered that and there's no need to ever practice it is lying to themselves, because you can always get better at everything. Anyway, hopefully that's short enough that it'll keep the video interesting, and I think I did it all in one take, so that's pretty cool. So happy Theory Thursday. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Tell your friends about it. I'm giving away a free pedal at the end of the month on Functional Friday. I'll be giving away a pedal by Yellow Cake. And so, hey, you could win if you just like and comment and tell your friends about it. So I'll see you next week, and we'll continue on modes. Thank you for watching.